This is not just a story. This is a life manual. If you are tired, distracted, lazy, confused, or mentally weak, this story will change the way you use your brain, because your brain is not broken. It is untrained. This is the story of a man who lost control of his life and then rebuilt his brain step by step. A tired mind. Adam was 38 years old. He was not poor. He was not sick. But his mind was exhausted. He woke up tired. He worked without focus. He scrolled his phone for hours. He slept late. He ate fast food. He forgot his goals. His brain felt slow. Simple decisions felt hard. Adam said one sentence every night. "Why is my mind so weak?" But the truth was simple. His brain had no routine. The rules of the brain. One evening, Adam read a line in a book. The brain follows rules. Break the rules, and the brain breaks you. That night, Adam wrote 7 brain rules on paper. These rules became his new life. Rule 1. Wake up with a purpose. Adam stopped waking up randomly. He chose one fixed time, 6 a.m. No phone, no social media. He asked himself one question every morning. What is the one thing I must do today? This trained his brain to think clearly. Lesson: a confused morning creates a confused mind. Rule 2. Feed the brain, not the tongue. Adam changed his food slowly. He added eggs, fruits, nuts, water, vegetables. He reduced sugar, junk food, soft drinks. He learned this truth. Your brain is built from what you eat. Lesson: fast food creates a slow brain. Rule 3. Move the body to wake the brain. Adam started walking 30 minutes daily. No music, no phone, just walking and thinking. Blood flowed. Oxygen increased. Thoughts became sharp. Lesson: a still body creates a lazy brain. Rule 4. Read daily, even 10 minutes. Adam hated reading before, but he started with 10 minutes daily. Simple books, self-growth stories, no pressure. Slowly, his vocabulary improved, his thinking deepened, his confidence grew. Lesson: reading is exercise for the brain. Rule 5. Learn one skill at a time. Adam chose one skill. Not 10, not many, just one. He practiced 30 to 60 minutes daily. Mistakes happened. Progress was slow, but his brain started loving focus. Lesson: a focused brain is a powerful brain. Rule 6. Rest is not laziness. Adam scheduled rest. Yes, scheduled rest. Short breaks. Deep breathing. Silent sitting, early sleep. He learned rest repairs the brain. Lesson: burnout is not hard work. It is bad planning. Rule 7. Goals give direction. Adam wrote, one daily goal, 1, weekly goal, 1, long-term goal. Every night, he reviewed his day, not to judge, but to improve. Lesson: a brain without goals becomes distracted. After 30 days, Adam felt different. Better memory, clear thoughts, calm emotions, strong focus. People noticed. They asked, "What changed?" Adam replied, "I stopped wasting my brain." The message for you. Your brain is your greatest asset if you eat well, sleep well, read daily, learn skills, take rest, follow goals. Your brain will reward you with focus, confidence, intelligence, peace. You don't need motivation. You need discipline and routine. Train your brain every day and your life will follow. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to support the channel by subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.